AI for business owners. The new era of smart entrepreneurship. No longer confined to Silicon Valley tech giants, AI is now accessible to everyday business owners, whether you are running a bakery in Benin City, an online boutique, or managing a logistics company. The tools are here. The time is now. The question is, are you using AI to grow your business? Or are you being left behind? This guide will walk you through how AI can radically improve your business operations, boost revenue, and reduce costs, all while helping you stay ahead of competitors. What is AI and why should business owners care? Artificial intelligence is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence, learning from data, analyzing patterns, making decisions, and automating tasks. For business owners, this means faster operations, smarter marketing, automated customer service, informed decision-making, 24/7 efficiency. Whether you are tech-savvy or not, AI is now user-friendly, affordable, and available even on mobile phones. 1. AI in marketing and content creation. Marketing is the lifeblood of any business, but it's time-consuming, expensive, and competitive. With AI tools, you can. Tools to use: ChatGPT, write sales copies, blog posts, captions, and emails in seconds. Jasper.ai: for branded storytelling and tone-specific content. Copy.ai, create Facebook and Google ad headlines and product descriptions. Writesonic. Ideal for generating website content and landing pages. Real-life application. A bakery owner can use ChatGPT to write 30 Instagram captions in one day. A realtor can generate persuasive listing descriptions. A fashion brand can automate product copy for hundreds of items. Result. More content, less time, consistent branding without hiring a content team. 2. AI in graphic design and branding. Don't have a designer? No problem. Tools to use: Canva. AI, automatically generate designs, templates, and visuals. Luca, create a logo and brand kit instantly. Designs.ai, generate social media graphics, videos, and mock-ups. Real-life application. A clothing brand can design flyers and product labels within 10 minutes. A small business can develop an entire brand identity without hiring an agency. Result: professional branding for less than 5,000 naira or even free. 3. AI in customer support and CRM. Providing fast and accurate customer service can be exhausting. AI handles it all 24/7. Tools to use: Tidio. AI-powered chatbot for websites and WhatsApp. ManyChat. Automate responses on Messenger and Instagram. Zendesk AI: for ticketing and customer service in larger teams. FreshChat: for multi-channel AI support. Real-life application. An e-commerce business can respond to FAQs instantly. A logistics company can auto-respond to inquiries about delivery times. A gym can use AI bots to book sessions or answer pricing questions. Result. Happier customers, fewer delays, no burnout for the owner. 4. AI in sales and lead generation. Finding and converting customers is crucial. AI helps you target better and close faster. Tools to use: Pipedrive AI: predict which leads are most likely to convert. HubSpot AI: automate sales emails and follow-ups. 7th Sense AI for optimizing email timing. Apollo.io: AI-assisted lead research. Real-life application. AB2 B service provider can track hot leads and follow up automatically. A coach can personalize sales messages using client data. Result. Higher conversions, less guesswork. 5. AI in business analytics and decision-making. Want to know what is working, what is not, and where to improve? AI analytics gives you insights in real time. Tools to use: Google Analytics and AI Insights, Tableau with Einstein AI Zoho Analytics, Power BI with Copilot. Real-life application: a restaurant owner can study customer patterns and optimize menus. A skincare brand can monitor best-selling products and restock smarter. Result: data-driven decisions that boost revenue and reduce waste. Sixth, AI in productivity and workflow automation. Don't let manual tasks slow you down. Automate them. Tools to use: Zapier plus ChatGPT. Automate business workflows. Notion AI: take notes, summarize meetings, plan tasks. ClickUp AI. Manage business operations, documents, and time. Otter.ai: transcribe meetings and generate summaries. Real-life application: a boutique owner automates inventory alerts and invoices. A digital marketer automates daily task lists, reports, and follow-ups. Result: you work smarter, not harder. Bonus point: how to start using AI in your business, step by step. Pick one area, e.g. marketing, design, customer service. Choose one AI tool, e.g. ChatGPT for content. Test it on a small task. Write a caption or create a flyer. Measure the time saved and impact on your work. Scale: gradually apply AI to more parts of your business. My final words are: adapt or get left behind. AI is the future and the present. The earlier you integrate it, the bigger your advantage. Whether you are a fashion designer in the United States, a food vendor in the United Kingdom, a photographer in Abuja, or a consultant in India, AI can free your time, boost your income, and put your business on autopilot. Start now, because your competitors already have. Would you like this transformed into a period? A YouTube Shorts content calendar? A carousel post or downloadable PDF for your audience? A free lead magnet or mini course on AI for entrepreneurs? Let me know and I will build it for you.